Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a JewelScent subscription unboxing. This is for their Prize Club or Jewels of America. They were only supposed to send a map with the first box, but I've gotten one in every package, so I'll set that aside. So what this is you get a candle that has at least a $40 ring in it, some bath bombs that do not contain a ring, but it's a different travel destination in the United States every month. And I've been loving it so far. This is the third month that they've done it. I could smell it already. So this month it's Cherry Blossom. Smells very nice. These are 3-wick candles. You can only get them through the subscription. You cannot order them online. You have to subscribe to get them. That smells really nice. So I'm going to start burning that so you guys can see the ring as well. These are what they called essential bath bombs. Essential meaning it's just a bath bomb. There's no ring inside. They're very pretty. And I guess my stamp is probably tucked in this map. Yep. Get a little postcard and a sticker. So the postcard says, "It's beautiful in Maryland." And then it gives you a description of the scent. And then the sticker. Cute. So we did Texas before and Hawaii, which is way down here. We put the sticker on for Maryland. Goes right here. And they should be releasing what the next month is. So I'm really excited. I love this idea. Different travel destinations. So I will be back once the ring is ready to come out so I can show you what I got. So the ring is now ready to come out. Go ahead and see what I got this time around. The past two have been $40 rings. I know online it said that they're at least a $40 ring, so I don't know if you could find one valued more than that, or it's just kind of everyone is $40. I'm not really sure, but we'll find out. PP36 is the code. So I'll go look that up, and I will be back to show you the ring. This ring did appraise for $40. I really like it because for the first time I got a center stone that has a polished look to it. So it's really nice and smooth. Light pink color, and there's lots of diamond-like stones going around it. Very cool. So if you guys would like to sign up for a subscription or order anything from JewelScent, I will have a link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.